Sorry, Wi-Fi, but you gotta be unplugged. Okay, I can't wait to look through the security system of this store. So, this security system panel came from an old store that gave me their security system when they shut down. So I can't wait to look through everything on it. And I have this 6139 keypad hooked up to it. So, let's go ahead and plug it in. 3, 2, 1. Dude! Oh my god. So I don't know the passcode, so I have to wipe it, but I'm gonna be able to get the. Oh my god. If you want to see me look through this security system, like this short